Here we have the Powermatic 15HH planer. It's a 15-inch planer, so it can cut something 15 inches wide up to 6 inches thick. It's 3 horsepower, 230-volt, single phase only. It has a magnetic starter, which is a great safety feature. It has a 2-speed gearbox, which is 16 and 20 feet per minute. The in-feed and out-feed tables are both cast iron. It's got an integrated caster system in the base and a nice little tidbit. These little bars here for lifting the machine. But the nicest thing about this planer is the helical head. Not only does it give you a smooth finish, but there's no adjustment. You chip one or break one, or you just take the screw out and put the new one on, tighten it up. Here we have the Powermatic 209HH planer. It can plane up to 20 inches wide, 8 inches thick. This thing's a beast. You can get it in a 5 horsepower, 230-volt single phase, 5 horsepower, 230-volt 3-phase, and 5 horsepower, 460-volt 3-phase. It does have the magnetic starter with some remotes. It's got a 2-speed gearbox with 16 and 20 feet per minute, and it does come with an extra sprocket set where you can get 24 and 31 feet per minute. Both in-feed and out-feed tables are cast iron. It has integrated caster system, so it's easy to move. And the helical cutter head has 100 4-sided carbide inserts. Between the 15 and 20-inch planers, not only do you get extra 5 inches and another 2 horsepower, but the 20-inch actually has a pressure bar, and that's just another bar to actually help hold the board down to reduce snipe. Here we have the Powermatic 54HH joiner. It's a 6-inch joiner, 1 horsepower, pre-wired 115 volt, but you can wire it 230 volt if you'd like. This is a wedge bed joiner. They're actually dovetailed. The helical cutter head has 40 4-sided carbide inserts. It has a 4-inch dust port, and it has a fence that tilts 45, 90, and 45 the other way. The bed is 66 inches long, which is a nice long bed for a 6-inch joiner. Here we have the Powermatic 60HH joiner. It's an 8-inch helical head dovetail joiner. The tables on it are 73 inches long. It's powered by a 2 horsepower, 230-volt single phase only motor. It's got a magnetic starter. The cutter head has 54 4-sided carbide inserts. And a unique feature on this machine is the fence is actually adjusted with a hand wheel. This machine's also backed by the Powermatic 5-year warranty.